When we think about cholesterol, the first thing that comes to mind is often its association with heart health. However, recent research has uncovered a surprising link between cholesterol and brain health. While it's well known that cholesterol plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of cell membranes and is essential for the production of hormones, the impact of cholesterol on the brain is now gaining attention. Understanding cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is vital for the proper functioning of the body. It is classified into two types: low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and high-density lipoprotein, HDL. LDL is often referred to as bad cholesterol because high levels can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, HDL is considered good cholesterol, as it helps remove LDL from the bloodstream. The brain's cholesterol connection. The brain is one of the most cholesterol-rich organs in the body, and cholesterol is crucial for various brain functions. Cholesterol is involved in the formation and maintenance of synapses, the connections between nerve cells. It is also a key component of myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers that facilitates efficient transmission of signals between neurons. The importance of early intervention. Recognizing the link between cholesterol and brain health emphasizes the importance of early intervention. As studies continue to unravel the complexities of this relationship, it becomes increasingly clear that maintaining optimal cholesterol levels from a young age may contribute to long-term cognitive well-being. Encouraging healthy lifestyle choices in childhood and adolescence may not only set the stage for cardiovascular health but could also play a role in preventing cognitive decline later in life. Potential implications for treatment. The emerging understanding of the cholesterol-brain health connection has implications for the development of novel treatments for neurological disorders. Researchers are exploring whether cholesterol-lowering medications, such as statins, could have additional benefits beyond their cardiovascular effects. Clinical trials are underway to investigate the potential of these medications in slowing the progression of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Moreover, dietary interventions and lifestyle modifications may be recommended as part of comprehensive treatment plans for individuals at risk of cognitive decline. Nutritional strategies that support brain health, such as incorporating omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, may complement efforts to manage cholesterol and promote overall cognitive resilience. Research findings. Memory and cognitive function. Recent studies have suggested a correlation between cholesterol levels and cognitive function. Higher levels of LDL cholesterol have been associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline and memory loss in older adults. This has led researchers to explore the possibility that managing cholesterol levels could play a role in preserving cognitive function. Alzheimer's disease. There is growing evidence linking cholesterol levels to the development of Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that high levels of LDL cholesterol may contribute to the formation of beta-amyloid plaques in the brain, a hallmark of Alzheimer's. Controlling cholesterol levels could potentially be a preventive measure against this devastating neurodegenerative disease. Neurotransmitter production. Cholesterol is a precursor to the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Proper neurotransmitter function is crucial for mood regulation, and disruptions in cholesterol levels may play a role in mood disorders such as depression. Brain inflammation. Elevated cholesterol levels have been linked to increased inflammation in the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation in the brain is associated with various neurological conditions, and controlling cholesterol levels may help mitigate this inflammatory response. Managing cholesterol for brain health. Balanced diet. Adopting a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help regulate cholesterol levels. Limiting the intake of saturated and trans fats, commonly found in processed foods, is essential for maintaining cardiovascular and brain health. Regular exercise. Physical activity has been shown to improve cholesterol levels and promote overall cardiovascular health. Engaging in regular exercise is not only beneficial for the heart but may also contribute to optimal brain function. Cholesterol-lowering medications. In some cases, medications may be prescribed to manage cholesterol levels. Statins, for example, are a class of drugs that lower LDL cholesterol and may have additional benefits for brain health. Individualized approaches. It's essential to note that the relationship between cholesterol and brain health is complex and can vary among individuals. While high levels of LDL cholesterol may be detrimental in some cases, cholesterol is not inherently harmful. The body requires a balance of different types of cholesterol for optimal function. Individualized approaches to healthcare. Considering genetic factors and personal health history are becoming increasingly important. Genetic testing may offer insights into an individual's predisposition to certain conditions, allowing for targeted interventions and personalized treatment plans. Public awareness and education. Increasing public awareness of the link between cholesterol and brain health is crucial for empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their lifestyle and healthcare. Education campaigns can help dispel misconceptions about cholesterol, emphasizing that it is not just a concern for the heart but also a critical factor in maintaining cognitive function. Healthcare providers play a pivotal role in this process by discussing the broader implications of cholesterol management with their patients. Encouraging routine health checkups that include cholesterol screenings can help identify potential risk factors early on, allowing for proactive measures to be taken. The surprising link between cholesterol and brain health underscores the intricate interplay between different aspects of our physiology. As our understanding of this relationship deepens, it opens new avenues for preventive healthcare and targeted interventions. Integrating brain health considerations into cholesterol management strategies has the potential to revolutionize how we approach both cardiovascular and cognitive well-being. By adopting a holistic view of health that recognizes the interconnectedness of various bodily systems, individuals can take proactive steps to protect not only their hearts but also their brains. Through a combination of healthy lifestyle choices, early interventions, and ongoing research, we may unlock new possibilities for maintaining cognitive vitality throughout the lifespan. The journey towards comprehensive health involves not only caring for our hearts, but also nurturing the intricate organ that houses our thoughts, memories, and identities, the brain. The surprising link between cholesterol and brain health highlights the interconnectedness of various bodily functions. While managing cholesterol has long been associated with heart health, it is now evident that it plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and function of the brain. By adopting a heart and brain-friendly lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and, when necessary, medication, individuals can take proactive steps to support both cardiovascular and cognitive well-being. As research in this area continues to evolve, a holistic approach to health that considers the intricate relationship between cholesterol and the brain may prove to be a key factor in promoting a long and healthy life.